today's video, we're diving into some game-changing machines that can launch new ventures and boost productivity. From eco-friendly paper bubble makers to automated food packaging and even custom printing solutions, these machines offer unique opportunities to kickstart small businesses with efficient, cost-effective setups. Let's get started. 1. Paper Bubble Machine. The bubble paper machine produces eco-friendly paper cushions, perfect for the logistics, retail, and packaging industries. With a capacity of 10 meters per minute, it efficiently generates sturdy and recyclable cushioning. The machine is ideal for businesses looking to offer sustainable packaging solutions. Startup costs depend on scale and setup, but the machine is typically priced between $1,500 and $2,000, making it an affordable investment for small to medium-sized packaging ventures. 2. Business Card Printing or Cutting Machine. The business card printer and cutter machine is an automatic solution designed for the precision cutting of A4-sized business cards. With computerized control, it handles both common and glossy paper types, cutting thicknesses from 0.20 mm to 0.35 mm. This machine is perfect for printing shops, advertising companies, and small businesses. The machine is priced between $800 to $1,500. 3. Noodle Making Machine. The noodle making machine is an automatic solution for efficiently producing fresh noodles. With a capacity of 80 to 100 kilograms per hour, it's ideal for businesses like hotels, farms, and food shops aiming to serve high-quality noodles in large quantities. Built with stainless steel rollers, it offers durability and consistency. The startup costs vary depending on the scale of production and packaging, while the machine is between $1,500 to $4,000. 4. 360-degree photography stand. The 360-degree photography stand is a versatile tool for capturing dynamic, rotating visuals, making it ideal not only for product shoots but also for events like weddings, exhibitions, and live demonstrations. It features a motorized turntable, allowing photographers to create engaging, 360-degree views of people, decor, or any object in focus. The stand offers adjustable speed and rotation direction, giving photographers the creative flexibility to capture unique perspectives. The stand usually costs between $800 and $2,000. 5. Gummy Candies Making. The Gummy Candies Making Machine is built to produce high-quality gummy candies in various shapes and flavors. Its automated features ensure consistent results, making it a great choice for confectionery shops, food factories, and restaurants aiming to diversify their offerings. This machine's precision controls allow for accurate temperature and ingredient management, creating perfectly textured gummies every time. The machine ranges from $5,000 to $15,000. 6. Fast Food Box Forming Machine. The fully automatic takeaway fast food container maker is perfect for producing disposable paper boxes like lunch, cake, or burger containers. It's designed for businesses needing high-speed and reliable packaging, such as restaurants, food factories, and catering services. The machine can produce up to 320 boxes per minute, working with paper thicknesses from 200 to 600 gm squared. This machine generally costs between $8,000 and $20,000, efficiently scaling up packaging production. 7. Staple Making Machine. A staple making machine is a specialized industrial equipment used to manufacture staples. It converts wire into the familiar U-shaped staples commonly used in offices, homes, and other settings. These machines can produce staples in various sizes and shapes, depending on the specific requirements of the application. Depending on capacity and features, the machine typically costs between $5,000 and $15,000. 8. Disposable Slipper. The high-speed automatic disposable slipper making machine is a fully automated solution designed for efficiently producing disposable hotel slippers. This machine is ideal for businesses in hospitality, retail, and manufacturing, as it can work with non-woven fabric to create quality slippers quickly. It's engineered for ease of operation, minimizing manual intervention while maintaining high productivity. Priced at $10,000 to $35,000, it's a valuable option for entrepreneurs looking to enter the disposable slipper market. 9. Broidery Embroidery Machine. This machine offers an automated solution for creating intricate embroidery patterns with a maximum speed of 1,000 RPM, making it an ideal choice for garment shops, manufacturing plants, and even home-based businesses. Designed as a computerized cap embroidery machine, it's built for ease of operation, providing consistent results in every run. With an embroidery area of 200 by 300 millimeters, it's perfect for creating logos, custom designs, and personalized items. You can find great potential with this machine, priced at approximately $2,000. 10. Mini Handheld Sewing Machine. This mini handheld sewing machine is an ideal tool for enthusiasts looking to launch a handmade sewing business. Priced around $25, it's perfect for creating small-scale items like custom pillowcases, hand-stitched bags, and personalized baby clothes. Its compact design allows for easy repairs and detailed projects, making it a great choice for entrepreneurs interested in alterations or unique garment embellishments. With the growing demand for handmade goods, this affordable machine can help you turn your creativity into a profitable venture, whether at home or at local craft fairs. 11. Cloth Garment DTF Printer. This printer is a good choice for those venturing into custom clothing. It uses advanced technology to print designs on film, which are then heat transferred onto garments, resulting in vibrant and durable prints. Priced at around $3,000, this machine opens up possibilities for producing personalized t-shirts, branded uniforms, and unique merchandise. It's perfect for those looking to meet the growing demand for custom apparel and make an impact in the market with standout designs. 12. Cloth Folding Machine. The cloth folding machine is a practical addition for businesses managing large amounts of garments. This automatic device ensures quick and consistent folding, saving valuable time and labor. With a cost of about $2,500, it's ideal for laundromats, retail shops, and small garment units aiming to improve workflow and presentation. Automating this task allows for a more organized setup and polished displays, boosting overall efficiency. 13. Empanadas Samosa Maker. This machine is designed to streamline the process of making popular snacks like empanadas and samosas. It shapes, fills, and seals each piece with precision, delivering consistent results and saving time on manual preparation. With a price tag of roughly $500 to $1,000, it's well suited for small-scale food producers or cafes. 14. Egg Tray Production. An egg tray production machine is an eco-friendly solution for manufacturing mold pulp trays used to store and transport eggs. This machinery typically transforms recycled paper into sturdy trays, helping reduce waste and improve sustainability. With prices starting around $5,000, it provides an opportunity to cater to both small-scale poultry farms and packaging suppliers, offering a cost-effective and environmentally conscious packaging option. 15. Hair Cosmetic Vending Machine. A vending machine specifically for hair care products is a creative way to reach customers in high-traffic areas like malls, salons, and airports. Stocked with popular items like shampoos, hair serums, and styling tools, this machine serves as a convenient mini-shop. With an average cost of $2,000, it allows business owners to offer products to customers on the go, tapping into the market for convenient and immediate purchases without the need for physical retail space. 16. Toilet Paper Production. A toilet paper production machine offers an avenue to supply an everyday essential. From cutting to rolling and packaging, these machines handle the entire manufacturing process, enabling consistent quality and high output. With an investment starting around $10,000, this equipment is ideal for those interested in producing basic household products for local supply chains, stores, or bulk orders. The demand for hygiene products remains constant, making this a stable business option. 17. Vending Machine for Food and Drinks. This type of vending machine provides a quick and accessible way to offer snacks and beverages in public places such as schools, offices, and shopping centers. With features that accommodate a variety of packaged foods and drinks, it's a great opportunity for those looking to establish passive income sources. Starting around $1,500, it requires minimal oversight while catering to a consistent market demand. This machine fits well in busy areas, meeting people's need for convenience and refreshments on the go.